living a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. We're working on the Johnny Bucket Jr. that I've got here. And tonight, in part 4, I'll be installing the load doubler. Now, the load doubler kind of gives you the wrong impression. You're not increasing the overall capacity, the weight capacity of the product, but what you are able to do is carry huge piles of like debris, leaves, mulch is the big one. Mulch is, you can get a huge scoop of mulch, and of course it doesn't weigh all that much. This bucket, clearly you could fill this bucket up and have plenty of weight room to spare. So that is what the load doubler is going to do. It's going to give us a raised section here that comes along the side, and so it just gives us more capacity in material size, cubic feet. So installation of this is not all that difficult. I'm going to bring the piece over here and lay it up on top, and I'll go through it with you. This is what you get, and it's a lighter gauge than this. This is a pretty thick gauge. This is maybe a gauge or two lighter than that, and all you're going to be doing with it is bolting it along these holes here along the top. There is one thing you're going to be doing here, and you can't really see it without, but I'll show you when we get to it. You are taking one of the mount brackets off for the actuator so that it can slide through these. But like I said, it's not so bad. So I'm going to get the camera closer in here, and I'll start with this side, and we'll get this thing attached. All right, so the first thing we got to do to install this is remove this one bolt right here, and we're going to hang on to it because we're going to reuse it. Like most of the stuff I've assembled with Johnny products, it's going to take a 9/16. So I'll go ahead and remove that now. Okay, once that's off, we're ready to install it. Now the metal goes to the outside on both sides of this, so keep that in mind. And I'm just going to put the bolts in to start. But I don't want to tighten anything up yet because we still have to align the other side. Awesome. Now that all 6 are started, I can go ahead and tighten. And that's it. Take a look at the increased height going from there all the way up. Now we have the ability to put an awful lot of lightweight debris, pine needles, leaves, sticks, twigs, stuff like that into this. And I love how these are laser cut. Johnny Bucket. And the original hauls it and hauls it ×2. Very cool. Well, I'll put the camera on the stand for a second here and show you how it operates. Well, here we go. You can see. So you get the idea, no difference in clearance, you're not going to hit the front of your tractor or anything like that, and a lot more useful. Next time, my friends, I will be installing the toothed bar, the ripper bar on the front of this, so stick around for part 5. Take care.